Hello, 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 hello. It is Friday. I am off finally. What a long day. It is currently 42 degrees here in Alaska, and 42 degrees feels like in the 60s in South Carolina. Feels great. I am grateful for the 42 degrees. Hold on, let me get in the car. All right. Boy, what a long day. This has been a day. Oh my goodness. Let me tell you guys about my car. I thought I was having car trouble. I was having car trouble. I was really having some major car trouble. And I was so sad because I thought I had to put the car in the shop, put my truck in the shop. And I was sad about it. Do you guys become sad whenever your car is sick? When my car is sick, when my baby is sick, guys, it makes me sick too. So I was sad. I was super sad. Oh my goodness. But I gotta show you guys what the problem was. See, now when I turn, it's not popping. I'm thinking that it's the what is it, a CVC joint? I don't know, okay? So don't judge me. Or the axles or something like that. I thought it was breaking. I mean, the wheel literally felt like it was popping off. For real, that's what it felt like. And I'm like, oh my God. Oh, I gotta hurry up and put my car in the shop. But there's so much I want to do this weekend, but I need to put it in the shop. See, when I turned down, no problem. Then I started complaining, oh my God, they should have sold me this car for X amount of money because they ripped me off. Those were the thoughts that I was having, right? But you know, it ended up not being that. This morning when I went upstairs, I was talking to some of my coworkers, asking them about a good mechanic here. Because on the type of press, sometimes as a female, it's hard to find a mechanic that you can trust that does not rip you off because you are a female. But you see, they're still doing it. Oh, but it's still in. Okay, so I gotta get it out. I gotta fix it. But yeah, I don't know if you guys heard that or not. Did you hear that popping when I made that sharp right turn? I'm gonna do it again. It pops. I'm gonna make another right turn, and I'm gonna see if you can hear it whenever I make the right turn. But I mean, it's a terrible noise. Let me try it again. Hold on. And see, my truck is a 4-wheel drive, just to let you know. It's a 4-wheel drive truck. And so I'm at the light now. I'm gonna go ahead and make this right turn. I'm gonna be very quiet. Let me stop talking. Listen. Can you hear that? Oh my God. Even hearing it now hurts my heart. Yeah, my truck have COVID or something. You know, well, it did have COVID earlier in the winter. And then I had to give it some cough medicine, which is some oil. Some oil. And the COVID cleared up. But now it must have long haulers. But anyway, so what my coworker told me is that the reason that it's doing that is because I'm driving the truck in 4-wheel drive when the roads are clear. So what I've learned is that whenever the roads clear up in Alaska and there's no ice on the roads, and ice and a lot of snow and stuff on the roads, then you're supposed to take it out of 4-wheel drive. So I'm gonna see, because right now I think it's in something. So she told me I could put it in neutral and then take it out of 4-wheel drive. And I'm gonna show you guys that. Just a second. Let me show you all what I'm doing. Okay, so this here is my gear stick, right? That's my gear stick that puts it into different, like 4-wheel drive or 2-wheel drive, and then you have the neutral. That's the gear stick to put it in like park, reverse, and drive, and all of those good things. What I'm gonna do now is move this and put it in 2, so it's all the way back, so it's in 2-wheel drive now. So now I'm gonna show you guys what it's like when I turn with it in 2-wheel drive. So here we go. We're gonna go back. Let's see if I can get back up to that light again, so I can make another sharp turn, and I'm gonna show you guys what it sounds like. I need to make a sharp turn. I'm telling you, when your car is sick, oh boy, it really makes you sick. Well, for me, it made me feel sick. Where? Oh my goodness. So I'm making and I'm so scared. So I just made a right. And okay, I'm gonna make another right turn. Sharp right turn. Fingers crossed. Cause if it do it, pop. See? No popping. Oh my God. You don't know the sense of relief I had whenever she got in here. Because immediately when I told them, I was like, guys, do you guys know a good mechanic here that I can trust? You know, being a female, and they was like, yeah, try. You know, they told me who to try. And then they said, well, what's going on with the car? I said, the truck. I said, well, whenever I make sharp turns, like not even sharp turns, any turn to the right, left, or what have you, or I'm turning around, making a U-turn, anything, this wheel just pops, pop, 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 pop. And they immediately said, oh, that's because you have it in 4-wheel drive. It does that. And no, it's not tearing up. It's not breaking. Your car is not falling apart. I said, you got to be kidding me. Somebody please come outside and drive my truck and see what you think. And my friend, my coworker came and she drove my truck. And she said, oh yeah, it's not tearing up. She said, you definitely have this in 4-wheel drive. So she gave me a little tutorial and she moved it out of 4-wheel drive for me. So I am so grateful. I'm grateful for them. I'm grateful for them listening. I'm grateful for them, you know, being able to come out and check the vehicle out for me. I'm so grateful for their knowledge. I really, really am. They have good hearts. They have very good hearts. They are caring people. It's just, yeah, they are amazing. So I really do appreciate, honestly appreciate them on my job. I promise I do. And I don't know if they'll ever, maybe years down the line, they'll come across this video. And if they do, I thank you guys so much. I really do. I appreciate you all. I know I tell you that all the time, but I really do, and I mean that. Well, yes. So yeah, it's the weekend. What plans do I have? I do know that I need to go pick up my laundry today because it has been sitting at the laundromat for quite a while. So I do know I need to go ahead and pick up my laundry. I need to clean up my apartment. What else do I need to do? I wanted to try to catch a movie. Maybe I'll do that, or maybe I'll take a little road trip somewhere, a short road trip. I'm not sure with gas being so high. And you know what? I got a video I want to post a little later about gas prices here. And you know what I think? I just filled up the other day. Maybe about Wednesday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. I have not been going many places. And my gas needle is not on full anymore. Like I think somebody's stealing my gas. I'm just playing. I did see a video or news. I either read a news article or saw something on one of the news outlets saying how people were stealing gas out of vehicles. And to be honest with you, I think this was going on in Anchorage, Alaska. white snow. A lot of snow is still on the ground here in this area. And this is helping me. It's cutting out some of that brightness from that snow and sun. My shades, I believe, will be a little bit too dark. It's not very, very sunny, but it is, the sun is definitely out. So, but these are helping. Like I said, it's not as dark as my shades would be. And I do have my shades in my purse. Now, what I did want to do was this challenge where I don't purchase any food until I eat everything that's in my freezer and my refrigerator. I thought I was going to be able to, get some video footage on that, but nah, it's a lot of work. But I am working on eating the stuff down. So yeah. But I haven't been completely obedient when it comes to not buying anything extra, because I may get one or two things, but to go along with whatever I have in the pantry. But I want to get to where I only use what's in the pantry. I've been doing good for lunch. I bring what's in my freezer or what's in the fridge for lunch, so I've been doing good with that, very good with that. So anyway, I don't know what's the other thing I want to try other than the pantry and eating up everything that's in my refrigerator. I think I lost my thought because I'm so darn hungry. I'm hungry, not hungry. I'm hungry. I'm not hangry because I'm not angry and hungry, but I am hungry. Whatever definition goes with hungry, I am that. I am headed to the grocery store to get the items that I need to make my meal for tonight, which is going to be some baked chicken. I'm going to get the baked chicken and some of the seasonings that I need, and also maybe a can of gravy, a can or either a jar of gravy. But on the way going there, I crossed over this little bridge and I see where the ice is breaking up in the river, and I want to show you guys what it looks like. And I'm doing this because it is my hope and my desire to show you what it looks like in like the spring and the summer. It is absolutely positively beautiful in the spring and summer, late spring, early summer. But I want to show you what it looks like now, so you can see the difference in the summer months. I want you to see the ice breaking up in the river. And what I'm about to show you is Kenai River. It's Kenai River, and we're about to go over the bridge, and then I'm gonna park, and I'm gonna walk over the bridge so you can see what it looks like. And that's over there to the right. Oh, really? Uh-huh.
And it was all froze up. You couldn't see
It's
that.
breaking up now.
Oh, it is. I told him to work the other day. I said, you know what, I'm new here, but I'm going to declare it. The breakup is occurring.
That's right. Let's declare
I
it.
declared it. I stood on it. I claimed it. In faith and all that stuff.
Yes, I claim it too, because I am ready. But oh my God, I was just saying the river is so beautiful in the spring and summer. Oh my gosh, it's beautiful.
How long have you been here?
I've been here a year now.
Really?
This month will be a year.
I've been here a month.
Oh, really? Where did you come from?
Bakersfield, California.
California. I came from South Carolina.
Woo!
Yeah. Look at there. Oh, right. Is that not beautiful? And so again, see, the ice is breaking up, and that's what he was just saying. When he and his wife were here, this thing was frozen over a month ago. And so now it's beginning to break up. It will be gorgeous. I kid you not. I'm gonna try to zoom in so you can see the ducks. You see the ducks? have made it to the grocery store. Fred Meyer's. They have the bicycles out already. Reminds me of spring and summer in South Carolina. But the bicycles are out, the lawn chairs are out, and I'm gonna show you. But the thing is, sometimes I'm like, the weather never gets nice enough that you can ride bikes and sit out in lawn chairs, because I'm forever cool. So let me show them to you. Man, you'll think it's gonna get very nice and warm here for that. Kind of thinking I'm home, right? Look at all the bikes. Nice little bicycles for the kids to enjoy when it does warm up. But now, guess it does, because 60s, 55 here, 60 feels like 80 home. Oh my gosh, that's my weakness. Oh, I need that. I gotta tell myself not to get it. Okay. Gonna get me a little cart. And these to clean my cart off. Okay. And we are gonna bypass Starbucks. Maybe I'm gonna get one of these things of gravy, containers of gravy. I'm gonna go with that. Yeah. Well, that looks interesting. Yeah. But yes, I am glad I ate. I tried to eat something before coming in here because I was so hungry. Do you guys do that? Like, do you eat a little something before coming in grocery stores? Because if I did not eat something, I would buy everything in here. Let me show you something that's cheap here. Oh my God. Oh my gosh, I love ribeye steak, and this is a good deal, $33. And they are huge. Oh my God, the roast are dirt cheap. But guess what? I said I wasn't buying anything for my freezer until I eat up what I have. These are boneless chicken breasts. I think I would like the bone in. Grandma told me to get the bone in, but I may not be able to find the bone in. I am right back at this meat here. It's a good sale, such a good sale. It makes me want to buy this ribeye or either a roast. What should I do? See, this is impulse shopping. I came with a list, and I'm going to stick to my list, and I'm going to push my buggy away from that beef. It's so hard. Do you guys find it hard to walk away from good sales? Or is it just me? Alright, so here are the juices. And what's hard about this particular store? In Walmart and Safeway, I find the big jugs of the juice that I like. But here they only sell it in the small containers. And this maybe like the Minute Maid fruit punch drinks. But this is another good one that I like. Okay, now for my seasonings, I need kosher salt, kosher salt. I need some regular Morton salt too. And I also need some smoked paprika. So let's see if we can find those items. All right, so does the kosher salt only come in a box like that? And guys, do you guys get Morton iodized salt? Or the Morton salt that's not iodized? Does that matter? All right, so let me show you guys this, right? Because I finally found the smoked paprika. And I don't know, this smoked paprika.
Well, let's go with what we got.
So this smoked paprika is $8.99. Smoked paprika. Then I see another one. Smoked paprika. $12.99. $12.99 for this one. Then they have some that's up here, but I'm not sure if that's smoked. It says mild and sweet. It's not focusing in, but that's mild and sweet for $5.79. Both of those are. So I don't know. I don't think that's smoked. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just go with what I have, which is regular paprika. And it's so funny because there was another guy here looking at some seasoning. He was looking at the buttery steakhouse seasoning. Oh, his is on sale for $168 because it's a closeout item. Anyway, he was torn about a seasoning to get. He said, you know what? We're going to go with what we got. And he put that back on the shelf. I'm going with what I got too. I am not paying $8.99 nor $12.99 for a paprika that I'm going to probably use in one recipe. No. I have learned lessons with that. So that's a no for me. So now I have everything that I came in here to get. I refuse to go on any other aisle. I have my juices. Kosher salt. Some regular Morton salt. Turkey gravy. Some chicken breast. I'm gonna go with these. So, and there's a pretty good bit in the bag. So let me go check out. Okay, something cool is that there are plastic bags now. Usually it's paper bags. Which is great. And I hate the paper bags because they break easily. Yeah, the paper bags break easily. But what I do is take this. I usually have my own bags and I bag it in my own. Because I don't like collecting all of these plastic little bags. So, 45 is our total. Thank you. Have a good one, okay? All right. Well, that's done. Mini strawberry bites. I bet these are delicious. They look good. Okay, so that completes my shopping. $45. You see why I say that? That's why I wanted to finish working on cleaning out my freezer during that challenge, because when you come in the grocery store, my goodness, you come for a few things and those few things are very expensive. So $45, and I don't have a whole lot at all. But what I should have done was improvise and just use the chicken legs that I have in my freezer instead of chicken breast. Would have did the same darn thing. It would have still been baked chicken. All right, let me get my items in the truck. All right, that task has been complete. Now I'm gonna put my buggy back. Do you put your buggy back? Do you put your buggy in the stall? Well, I do, as long as it's not super icy. No, that's not true. I do put my buggies back. 98% of the time I do. All right, guys, I just saw a moose and I want to go back so I can show you guys the moose on the side of the road eating. Oh goodness, let's show you guys the moose. Hold on, I'm gonna turn around, safely turn around. I'm in a parking lot, turning around safely so I can show you all the moose. Oh, it feels good to make that turn, and I didn't hear pop. Look at that. You see him? That's a big old moose. Uh-oh, look. Can you guys see him? Where is he going? He's getting away from me. I'm not gonna bother you, sir. Oh, he's big. I'm not gonna do nothing to you. You see? He's eating. He's minding his business. That moose doesn't look like it's missing any nails. An eagle. That's an eagle, guys. Oh my goodness, do you see the eagle? Oh my gosh. Look at the eagle. The moose is leaving. And then here in the fair, there's an eagle. The eagle is gigantic. Oh, beautiful. Huge. Oh my gosh. The eagle is gone. He flew away somewhere. And then Mr. Moose is there. So, in this short amount of time, I've seen an eagle, a moose, and some raven. Oh, there's the eagle. Look. Oh, he's perched up in another tree through some brush. I can't see now. What a delight that was for me. God. Oh my goodness. I was able to see a moose and an eagle today. I am so happy. That made my day. Oh my goodness. Well. It is now time for bed. I am totally exhausted. I have no motivation or energy to cook anything. I don't feel like cooking. So I am glad that I stopped by Arby's and got a buffalo. What was that I got? A buffalo slider. I am so glad that I stopped and got a buffalo slider from Arby's. And I am glad that I had that small fry and that snack size lemonade. Hey, because it was already known that I was not going to have any energy to cook whenever I got in. So, yeah. So, anyway, that worked out perfectly. I just wanted to hop on and say thank you so much for rocking with me today. Thank you. Thank you for your support today. Thank you for your support yesterday. Thank you for your support when I first started. And thank you for your support in the future. I thank you. I really do appreciate you. Have a good night, and I look forward to chatting with you all soon.